Alrighty, we made it to the convention. Gonna look for our homie. Yeah, we gotta look for the bathroom first.
Oh, there it is.
Quick little fit check. Got our passes.
So if you need a new ticket, make sure from the registration.
Yeah, so that's your refrigerant. I'm assuming there's noise on there. Refrigerant, and then everything else that's copper is your standard water style, and then these are for your gas.
I carry a lot of stuff, so I sell right now used heavy machinery.
Okay.
And I'm expanding into new construction.
Yeah. Yep.
So this is definitely something that I
We just bought the company. I've been with them for 9 years. I bought the company in August, so I'm still trying to get my head.
It can be used to our Great Escape event or some other areas that we do promote throughout the year. The Bryant Fleck.
Taking a quick break, out for lunch. The beam. All right, guys. So far, we are a couple hours in. Pretty good experience. Anything you gotta say, bro?
Learning a lot.
We are learning a lot.
They call them fatbergs. So it's a big giant, like iceberg that's inside the pipe, the main line, that just your cadence of having it pumped. Some of the more expensive ones, they actually drag the grease out and store it in its own container where it's easier to get at.
1768. 1768.
Here. So that's
1884.
Yeah. And then this is kind of easy to just adjust it.
1884.
Yeah, just move it up and down and stuff like that.
1884.
So, yeah, right through the top. These bolt down through here, and then.
The last call for our.
We're out here enjoying the trade show. So far, we've learned a lot. Good experience. 10 out of 10. Pretty fun.
Fuck you run at 100%. Then it'll turn off.
Talking to you guys, bro? The pros out knowing how to fix that. Me and Daniel.
Just got out. It was fun experience. We got to meet a lot of people. Or Michael got to ask a lot of questions.
Really happy. We're full. We're energized. Full of knowledge.
We got some grub. Yo. Only Matthew's back there. Thanks for the invite, bro.
I can't even see myself. He's too dark.
was right there, dude. The exit.
Is it the first one or the second one?
Not the first one. Yeah. Dude, you hear that turbo? It was like. Yeah, you made it. You made it.
Is it this one or the other one? Or is it both?
It might be both.
Yeah.
No. It's that one. It's that one. I think that one's the